Hello everyone. Today I will let you know how to fix the screen Huawei Y90. Okay. So I will tell you like step by step so you can see now how to fix the screen Huawei Y90. It's a new model in the market. So first of all we have to give the heat, okay, to remove the back. This back is very sensitive, okay. We have to put it there and slowly put it there, slowly. The plastic bag, plastic one, not a glass one, but it's sensitive, okay. So now the second way, we have to remove the screws, okay. The second option, remove the screw, okay. These all screw I have to remove it. First of all, remove the battery jack and then remove the screen jack also. And now we have to check the screen, okay, like this. So the battery is too much flat, okay, so that's why I'm going to use the battery booster, okay. The screen is coming on after boosting the battery, so let's see. The screen is working fine. Then I will fix the screen. So please friend, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. You will get all the notification. We have to go 1 2 3. Now I'm going to remove the battery. Like this is the way, it's already loose. I'm going to put the heat. Now, so now after that you have to clean these lines, okay, these borders, these edges, okay, then this screen is fixed proper, okay. Now I'm going to put the glue all around. It's time to put the screen now. I have to remove this paper, okay, then remove this tape, put it like this. And this is afternoon. How are you? Good. I'm going to put the battery also as well. Yeah, just like this, okay, just like this. Now I'm going to put the rubber. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Then in the center, 1, 2, like this, like this. Screen is coming on now. Now I'm going to put the screw. The last step is clean this back, okay, nicely. After cleaning, I have to put the glue and then put with the phone, okay, in the back. One rubber, second rubber, and then third rubber is on the top. One rubber more, put in the center. Then check the screen, it's work fine, it's charging. Please friend, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much. Bye bye, have a nice day.